we wash the zucchinis and peel them, and then we slice them like this. Now, we put them in a bowl and sprinkle some flour on top, like this. This helps absorb the moisture from the zucchini. Now, we've added sparkling water. If you don't have any, you can use a little water and some baking soda instead. Gently massage all the zucchini slices. You can add more flour from time to time if needed. Make sure there is enough batter to coat all the zucchini. Now, add a little salt and continue mixing everything by hand. Now, we've heated some oil in a pan and are adding the zucchini slices one by one. Don't overcrowd the pan, leave some space between them so they turn nice and crispy. Make sure the oil is hot before adding the zucchini. I edited this part in fast motion, so you can't see that I waited for the oil to heat up. Oh my God, my wife and kids are hungry, so they're just waiting for me to finish cooking this dish. I actually wanted to show you a beautiful final plate, but my wife and kids are hungry, so they keep eating the fried zucchini as soon as it's ready. We're eating this with lemon, salt, and yogurt. As you can see, I've already put the second batch into the oil, but they keep coming back and finishing the first plate. But if they're happy, then I'm happy too. Okay, so I've just put the third batch into the oil, but they've already finished the second plate too. There's nothing left to make a nice presentation for you. You can enjoy this with lemon, salt, and yogurt.